crazy. Look at that. Being lazy. This is living. Um, I also want to tell you guys that I'm going to be doing the cycling challenge for the American Cancer Society. A lot of people in my family have cancer. Had cancer. We lost way too many people to that disease in my family. So that's something that I feel like I should do. It's a good cause. It's research to help, find research. So if you find it in your heart, you look me up on Facebook, go to your picture. I have a GoFundMe there. My goal is $200. Hopefully I can get more. Hopefully I can get you guys to give more or more people, even if it's just a little bit. The more people, I'll reach my goal and maybe surpass my goal. And for a good cause. So I hope you guys, I'm going to post this as soon as I can so that you guys are ahead of the game. I have to ride 300 miles on my bike, and I have 30 days to complete the task. I'm going to try to take my cameras with me for the beginning, the middle, and the end for each day, and post a video every day for you guys to see. So I hope it works out. It's for a good cause. I hope you guys show up. I'm gonna try to do some live sessions as well, so that you're there, right there with me, going through it with me. Okay. So that's what I want to say. Hopefully, I catch a fish for you guys. A good one, something I can take home. This water's really dark, and the wind, and the weather, but I don't care. I'm happy out here, so if I catch a fish, any kind, I don't care. I'm good. I'm happy. But I want to catch something good for you guys. What do you got on? That again. I'm looking forward to this challenge. I am. Why you guys in this challenge? And I'm gonna pedal the whole way. For the hills, I'm gonna use the assist, but I'm gonna pedal the whole way. If I can accomplish this year, next year, I'm gonna do it on a regular road bike. But this is gonna help me get in tune and in shape for what I have to do.